Actionable tips to create engaging content. Creating engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining your audience. Know your audience. To create engaging content, you need to understand who your audience is and what they are interested in. Conduct audience research and create buyer personas to gain insights into their needs, preferences, and pain points. Use compelling headlines. Your headlines should grab the reader's attention and entice them to click through to your content. Use descriptive and benefit-driven headlines that clearly convey the value of your content. Tell a story. People are drawn to stories. Use storytelling techniques to make your content more engaging and memorable. Create a narrative that connects with your audience and takes them on a journey. Use visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool for engaging your audience. Use high-quality images, videos, infographics, and other visuals to break up the text and make your content more appealing. Make it scannable. Most people scan content rather than reading it in full. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, subheadings, and other formatting techniques to make your content more scannable and easier to read. Provide value. Your content should provide value to your audience. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and offer insights and tips that they can use in their lives or work. Encourage interaction. Encourage your audience to interact with your content by including calls to action, questions, polls, and other interactive elements. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. By using these tips, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience, keeps them interested, and encourages them to take action.